guys, so today's video is going to be a surprise gift
for my brother
Zyair. He doesn't know that he's going to get him some AirPods. He just recently got him an iPhone for Christmas, so I wanted to surprise him with a pair of AirPods. And so stay tuned and watch
the video.
What do you want it to be? You don't know?
Couldn't really think of anything for Christmas.
So, let's see. You get to open it in. Okay? So you can see. There's a bag. Let's take this out of the way. What is it though? What is it though? Come on, show them what it is. Can they? What else you got?
Four-piece master kit.
So you had the 4-piece master kit for your Apple AirPods. Okay, what else you got in there?
A holder.
A holder, alright.
Okay.
So we got the 4-piece, the AirPods, and then a case. So pretty much you got what you wanted. Yes or no?
Yeah, I did.
Alright, let's see what. Open the case up. Alright, I want to see the 4-piece master kit. You're going too slow for me, Zyair.
Looks so
Oh, let me go turn that air fryer off. Hold on.
Then it just goes inside.
Oh, and I'm back. Oh, you gotta look through this. What color is that? That's so cute.
Red,
It's red.
On the side.
Okay.
Oh, stickers.
Stickers. Oh, this is so cute. I'm sorry, I'm taking over here. I get excited to open things all the time. What is that?
Another case.
Ooh, and it comes with a clip. Open it. Alright. Guys, the sound. Oh. Okay, you do the rest. Okay, I can't help. I would do it. Alright, you can take that part. So it's like a case skin. So you can put your AirPods in there, lock it in there. Oh, that is so cool. That is so dope, y'all. Alright, open your AirPods. Let's see. This is what they want to see.
It's tight.
It's tight. You gotta pull it.
Okay, paper.
Got the AirPods instruction manual. What's the first song you gonna listen to in your AirPods?
The box.
The Box. Who's that by?
Roddy Rich.
Oh, you know the word set? Uh-oh. This is it. Let me see. Can they see it?
On this.
You gotta remember they can't see it down there. Oh, that's dope. Did it come with a charger? Let's see. Oh, you got you another charger.
Piece to my phone.
Same piece to your phone, dog. All right. So you gotta. So what? You can like clip this to your book bag, and then it stick. Oh, that is so dope. Be like, people with AirPods be like. Okay. This is so cute. Okay, you go that one. And then we're going to show AirPod holders too. We lit. Oh, we lit. Oh, we lit. I'll do that one. Hold this for me. This is a happy kid right now. He's so happy. And it's all about making the kids happy. Yep. How you feeling?
Good.
He got him an iPhone for Christmas. AirPods. My baby growing up. He about to be 10. He deserves it. He's a good kid. So, thank you guys for watching our unboxing of his AirPods. Don't forget, I got these AirPods from my favorite website, Zulily. Yes.
Really?
Yes, Zulily. Where do you think I got it from?
AirPods.
They have everything. Drop a like and subscribe. Peace.
Yep.